I'm going to be showing you guys a bad trade that I took, which was yesterday. Today is Saturday. Today's date is Saturday 18th November 2023. So I took a bad trade that was yesterday, which was on a Friday. So yeah, I took the trade around this place here. I'm going to mark it out now for you all. So looking at market structure currently, looking at the higher time frame, because this is how I do my analysis whenever I show up to the markets. I come to the 1 hour time frame. So looking at the one hour time frame, it has broken structure higher, then it came back down all through Asian session. Then during London session, I waited for the market. I wanted to see this place break, which was the current low that took out this structure point in the 1 hour time frame. So I wanted to see this. I was looking to see this previous low break. That was New York low break. So during London session, I saw the market impulsively going down. So the way I mark out my structure, I mark out both wicks as breakup structures. So I don't consider just only body breaks as breakup structure. So this is a body break right here. So I consider wicks as well as breakup structure. So when I saw this happen, I came down to the 15 minutes time frame. Already on the 15 minutes time frame, I could see that. Oh shit! This thing, let it load. Okay, good. So on the 15 minutes time frame, I can already see that it has broken 15 minute structure, but I was waiting for the 1 hour to break. So as I saw this liquidity, this Asian high liquidity, I saw it, but I've seen that most times Euro USD usually ignore the liquidity grab. So when it broke structure, so look at it. So taking this my tool, because it was currently ranging during Asian session, this to this, this to this, then flush down, which gave me the breakup structure here. Let me mark it out. It gave me the breakup structure here, this place around here. So when it gave me the breakup structure, so I took my Fibonacci from the highest point to the lowest point. This is what I did. So when I saw that, see my breaker level here as well. My breaker level is also here from the lower time frame. I took my lower time frame breaker. So it was already in between 62 and 79. So what I currently did was I used a very wide stop loss. Which was around 13 pips, I guess. It was around 13 pips. Used 13 pips stop loss, and I was targeting here. So currently, this is the current market is in a bullish reversal, or no, it's a bullish pullback on the higher time frame. So I was hoping to trade the pullback, which is the sell pullback before the uptrend. So this is what I was looking at. I did, and I took a loss here. I took this loss here yesterday, and I lost about 0.5% of my account yesterday. So again, I saw that, okay, when I took this loss, I was like, okay, maybe market is just coming to grab the Asian high liquidity before it pushes down. So I did this. I took my Fibonacci because this is the high that broke structure down. I took my Fibonacci, then from the high to the current low, which broke structure down. So I saw this 15-minute supply zone here. See, high, low, high, low. So there's a 15-minute supply zone here, and I saw FVG here too as well. So I was thinking, okay, price is just coming to grab liquidity before it pushes down. So I took another loss here too. So in total, everything was just about 0.5% of my account that I lost yesterday. So it is a bad trade, and currently I have been sitting down and I've been taking note of what went wrong. So looking at the higher time frame, what I have gotten to understand after an impulsive move, I went to the higher time frame. What I've gotten to understand is that most times after a very impulsive move, which was the CPI of last week Friday, I mean last week Tuesday, sorry, or this week Tuesday rather, after the CPI, see the impulsive move which broke out structure here. So I've noticed that it does this a lot. It does this after the impulsive move, then it gives a very short pullback, then it continues higher. That's what I've gotten to understand. So I did not really pay too much attention to this that happened yesterday, or I would have caught the buy move. So the buy move, going down to the 5 minute structure, going down to the 5 minutes time frame, this is what happened. I would have caught the buy move yesterday, but I didn't pay attention because I've already lost, and I had the bias, I had the sell bias to the market. So this is what happened. After markets flushed down during London session, it was now pulling back, and I was thinking it's just coming for the Asian high liquidity, but it didn't. So this is what happened. It did this low, high, low. Let's see, let me back this one high, then low. This is where I took my second loss. Remember, this is where I took the second loss. So what I noticed on the 5 minutes time frame is that it gave me a trend reversal that is still going up, but I didn't pay attention to it because I was having a sell bias. So it gave me a change of character on the 5 minutes time frame that is still going up. You can imagine, see what happened. Then inducement, it continued higher. Then it came back down to the other block. So had it been I was open-minded, I would have taken the trade from this other block here. Let me mark it out for you guys. I would have taken the trade from this 5 minutes other block. I would have taken the trade from this 5 minutes other block here, right here. I would have taken the 5 minutes other block, and I would have taken the trade from here, risking just about 5 pips. It was about 5 pips. It was a 5 pips stop loss trade. That would have targeted this structure point, which would have given me a 1 to 7.2 risk to reward. That's a good risk to reward, but looking at the markets all through yesterday, it gave a 10 RR trade. You can just imagine. So most times it's just good to be open-minded to trade, or when you're having your analysis done. Just be open-minded to your analysis that you're doing, so that whenever you see anything, you can be able to adapt to the changes in the market. The market is uncertain, the market can change at any time. So it's good to be open-minded. So I just thought about showing you my trade breakdown and what happened, what I did wrong yesterday. And yes, so far so good. This is all that happened on EURUSD yesterday. And I'm glad to show you guys. I'm glad to be doing all these videos now, and yeah, I hope you all learned something from this video breakdown and trade breakdown of what happened all through yesterday. So cheers guys.